Hello and welcome to another video. Walker, my name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Camry SE upgrade package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in supersonic red, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty front end, turn signals on the side mirrors, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Camry and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here with our lock and unlock buttons. Those are our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. We're going to hop inside the front first of this Camry and take a look on the bottom of the door. Here you'll find some nice storage space, and above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And next to the door you will find your lighting options as well as your trunk release button. This Camry is equipped with all-weather mats in black mixed fabric and leather seating. It is a push to start, so just put your foot on the brake and press that engine start button right there and the vehicle will fire up for you. First things first is the left side of the steering wheel. You got this cluster right here which will allow you to navigate through your multi-information display right in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system along with your volume buttons. Moving to the right side, we have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. On the right you have your cruise control speed settings. Before we move on to our screen, just to show you behind the wheel, we do have our paddle shifters. Now moving on to our screen here, right now we're on home. It's got a split screen going with any device that might be connected and any audio that might be playing. This Camry does have a backup camera as well, giving you the nice guidelines. If we press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and Bluetooth. Down below you have your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Underneath you have your key wireless charger. If we press this button, that green light will come on. You can put your phone down and that'll charge right up without any cables. Here you have your 12-volt outlet, USB, and auxiliary. Your 2 cup holders, and behind the cup holders you have your passenger and driver heated seats. Let's open that center console. Plenty of space in there. And lastly is the glove box, providing more room. But now we're going to close that up. So before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage space just like the driver's side, and continuing with the all-weather mats and black mixed fabric and leather seating. If we take a look inside the center here, we can pull this down and that'll give you access to 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. So to open up, all we gotta do is hold this third button on our key fob and that trunk will open for us nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in this Camry. If we take a look on the right and on the left, we will find it does tuck in a bit, and that gives you some extra bit of space. And underneath here you will find your tools to change your spare tire in case that ever goes out on you. We're just going to close up, just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Camry SE upgrade package. Once again, some of those great interior features include your backup camera, Bluetooth compatibility, and heated seats. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.